Yeah.
Don't get in front of it. I'm not gonna be on that side.
Okay, we gotta get another roller ready to go up front.
Do you have one? Okay, we got one right there.
Yeah.
Lay it next to the end. That'll work. There you go. Alright. Whenever you're ready, good word.
Go.
Right. Slack it.
Okay. Now, see if the one of those smaller. Has it come up to its 4x4 yet?
Yeah, you're about 3 feet away from it.
Oh, crap.
You got enough cable in that thing?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Keep it coming. I'm gonna try to lay down another. Is he going in straight? Yes. He's over. Okay. A little bit more.
See? Get it stopped?
Yeah, you're flexing this 4x though.
It's moving it?
No, you put a bow in it.
Really?
Yeah, it seems pretty. You got a lot of weight on it. Probably